how to get your pistol squat at home.
Okay, so your pistol squat, you want to unlock it and you're trying to build up to it. Well, first things first, obviously, you just want to have unlocked a good solid base of 20 squats. Why 20? 20 squats is just a nice whole number and proves you have the strength. The next thing would be your calf raises. It's good to have at least 15 to 20 calf raises under your belt, because as well, it just helps develop that strength. If you can't do this yet, I would stick to your leg days, at least twice a week, train legs. I know legs is a calisthenics athlete's greatest fear, but if you don't stay on top of it, you won't be able to unlock your pistol squats. So calf raises and squats, stick with them. Okay, now the reason I'm crouched here on the floor is because actually we're going to learn from the floor. So plant your dominant leg down. Now you will want to unlock this with both legs eventually, but for your first ever one, use your dominant leg. Mine is my right leg. So down and kind of squat like on your dominant leg, okay? And what you want to do is just practice getting this leg straight. Use your hands for assistance if needed until you can straighten it like that, and you can hold this bottom position. Use your arms for counterbalance, because you might fall like that. Arms for counterbalance, hold the bottom position. Once you're comfortable in the bottom position and you can do 20 squats, all you want to do is attempt to stand up, and it will look like that. So just keep practicing that. And is it easy? No, but this is why we train, right? So I'll show you again. Dominant leg down, bottom squat position, hands for counterbalance, stand up. Okay. Once you've unlocked that point, you can actually try and do it in reverse, but with a little bit of a kick to the leg. So dominant leg, your other leg back, and as you squat, swing the other leg forward and put your hands out. And then try and stand back up. That is the easiest way to unlock your first pistol squat, using your dominant leg. And then obviously once you've unlocked it, the actual training to be able to do them for reps is a lot simpler. So once you're comfortable with the swing technique, you can then come down from a standing position. So you can't see from that point, but I'm standing with 1 foot hovering. So then what I'm doing is 1 foot's hovering, I'm coming down into a pistol, I'm going back up into a stand. Now during the full pistol squat movement, you may feel your thighs start to cramp up. It doesn't happen to everyone, but happens to some. So what you want to do really is just give it a little bit of a warm up, maybe even just give it a rub, you know, stretch it out, just make sure you're nice and loose. And this goes for any calisthenics skill. You know, if you feel yourself cramping up, either stretch, and if it starts to hurt too much, stop. You know, you can always train tomorrow. So then, like I say, 1 foot's hovering, you're coming down, you're going up. Coming down, going up, coming down, going up. And that's a pistol squat. So give it a go, see if you can unlock it. Don't forget, we have a full calisthenics community, first link in the description. Also follow me and my mate Dan for quick fitness tips on Instagram. See you soon.